Hi, this is Lance Edwards with this session of Apartment Wealth Nuggets. I'm broadcasting to you today from my office in Houston, Texas. As always, got Luis behind the camera. And today's topic is going to be on your strategy, your overall strategy through small apartments. This is what I would call my favorite strategy. Matter of fact, this is what I talk about in my book, How to Make Big Money in Small Apartments. And you can find it on beginning on page 64 of the book. And to set the foundation of this, first of all, when it comes to small apartments, there's three ways that we make money. There's active income, passive income, and net worth. Active income is the process of wholesaling apartment buildings. This is where we generate $10, $20, $50,000 checks when we flip the contract on an apartment building. We never take title when we're flipping. We never put up any money when we're flipping. It's the process of finding a property, put it under contract, find a buyer, and flip it. And that's what we do here in my office. One of the things we do here in my office. The second way that you're going to profit with small apartments is through passive income, and that's when you buy and hold these properties to get your mailbox money. You buy the property, put a management company in place, they take care of the day-to-day, and they send you monthly checks. That's your passive income, your mailbox money. And on other sessions, I've told you to expect a minimum of $100 per month per door cash flow from passive income. And passive income is what's going to set you free because it's mailbox money. It goes on and forever as long as you own the building. Now, the third way that you're going to profit with small apartments is by building your net worth, and that happens through something called forced appreciation on small apartment buildings. And what basically it means is, because the value of an apartment building is based upon the net operating income, anything we do to raise the income on an apartment building raises the value. And how do you raise the income? You raise the rents, you raise the occupancy. So forced appreciation is the ability to tweak the operation and affect some very large and sizable changes in your net worth, which can be six-figure and even seven-figure changes by raising the rents and raising the occupancy. Of course, it's a function of how many doors you have. But it happens by owning these properties, by making operational improvements, or more precisely, your management company make those improvements. Not only builds your cash flow, builds your net worth. So we got active income, passive income, and net worth. Now the good news is you can do all three simultaneously in your small apartment business, but here's your overriding strategy. It's this one right here. It's this. Flip one, flip one, flip one, hold one. What I mean is I want you to flip apartment contracts to generate chunks of cash to pay your bills today. You can generate enough money from just flipping to decide if you want to keep doing your JOB or not. But you're going to get chunks of cash from flipping. These are $10, $20, $50,000 checks. Along the way of flipping, I want you to cherry pick the buildings that you want to hang on to and add to your portfolio. You're going to hold those, buy those to get your passive income, and at the same time tweak them to boost your net worth. Now, in separate sessions, I've talked about how many doors you need to own to have enough passive income to totally replace your job income, but I'll give you this, it's a very few number of doors. But your strategy, and the one I want you to focus on, I really want you to write this down because this is going to override everything. This is your business strategy when it comes to small apartments. Flip one, flip one, flip one, hold one. You follow that, and in a very short period of time, you're going to have some tremendous financial options of how to spend your time going forward. Do you stay with that JOB, or what do you want to do? It's a great, great feeling when you finally have those financial options. And you can do it with small apartments just like I did. Until our next session, this is Lance Edwards, and see you on the next Apartment Wealth Nuggets.